best friend.
Good afternoon, everybody. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install a aftermarket subwoofer and amplifier on any E92 335i or any E92 vehicle from the 2007-2010 generation, specifically with the Logic7 sound system.
I seem to let it eat me up. You influence my frame of mind. My heart is stuck.
So to start off, here are all the things that you will need. Obviously you'll need a subwoofer with an enclosure. I have the Rockford Fosgate 10-inch prime subwoofer and a sealed enclosure. You're going to need an amplifier. I have a Rockford Fosgate R500X1D. And specifically for the E92 vehicles with Logic7, the head unit does not output a remote wire to this factory amplifier in the trunk. So you also need a line out converter with a remote output. I'm using the Pack Audio LP7-2. And then you will need a power wiring kit. I used 8 gauge from Rockford Fosgate. You're gonna need about 20 feet of speaker wire, both to go from the amplifier to the subwoofer and from the factory amp located here in the trunk to the new amplifier. But you may also need a few of these wire connectors. You can either use bullet connectors or you can just hardwire them in yourselves with electrical tape. You're also going to need one set of RCA cables, and that should about do it. The first step to doing an aftermarket subwoofer and amplifier install on the E92 platform is to disassemble some of the trunk. So you can take this amplifier cover here and simply pry it up with your fingers or a flathead screwdriver, and the connecting pins should just pop off like that. The next step will be to remove this trunk liner piece right here. Pop off this and this cover right here with a flathead screwdriver and remove the Phillips screws underneath. Then using a trim removal tool, pry out 1, 2, 3, and 4 of these push pin connectors, and then simply pull straight up and back. Now to access the stock wiring harness located here with all the multicolored cables coming out, I found it easiest to remove this whole trunk liner here. You'll need to remove the rear left taillight cover, and there are several more of those push pin connectors located up here right above the rear taillight, one above the rear seat release latch, and then one near the back. And then in addition, you also need to remove, using a Torx bit, the cover around the tie down latch. The next step will be to actually tap into your subwoofer signal wires using T-tap connectors. You can either use T-tap or I use the Posi tap connectors shown on the screen now. So you'll be tapping into 4 separate wires. I'll throw the wiring diagram up on the screen now. So we'll be tapping into the subwoofer left positive, subwoofer left negative, subwoofer right positive, and subwoofer right negative, and running speaker wire from those connectors underneath your trunk liner, either over to this side or wherever you decide to install and mount your amplifier. So once you've run your speaker wire connections underneath your trunk liner or to your desired install location, what you need to do is strip back wire off of these 2 wires coming off the Pack Audio line out converter harness. The white wire will be for your left connections, and the gray wire will be for your right connections. It really doesn't matter. Each way you're going to get the same subwoofer inputs. You can also tie together both negatives and both positives. I just decided to do all 4 based on personal preference. For your next step, we're going to deal with the power. So these two wires, yellow and black, coming off the Pack Audio LP7 wiring harness, will go to the same connections for your power and ground on your amplifier. Yellow will tie in with the positive, and black will input with the ground. The blue wire coming off the Pack LP7 is your remote output going to your amplifier, which will tell your amplifier when to turn on based on whether your car is on or not. In addition to my remarks on the remote wire, keep in mind that your amplifier in these cars may stay on for an additional 3 minutes after you've locked your car and walked away from it. This is just something to do with the BMW accessory system and how long it remains on after locking the car. At this point, you can also connect your RCAs from the output of the LP7 to the input on your amplifier. At this point, you can either do this step now or last. You can run your speaker wire connection from the input of your subwoofer to the output on your amplifier. Now for power and ground, the power will come from the battery, which in this E92 335i is located in the right side of the trunk. Simply turn this latch here a half turn and pull the battery cover all the way out. Now I'll attach a picture that I found online showing where to connect the power wire of the amplifier to. You do not want to connect to a specific one of those connections, as it is the BMW's crash sensing power unit, which will, if you're involved in a crash, it will cut the power to the entire vehicle and can cause some problems with your amplifier. There is a ground connection you can use next to the battery. You should not use the ground terminal from your battery. However, as you can see, I have not permanently mounted my amplifier yet, and in the iDrive control module located directly underneath my subwoofer right now, there is an additional ground point that you can use there, assuming you have enough of your speaker wired. Now I'll do a brief sound demonstration of the sound you can expect to get out of a Rockford Fosgate 10-inch sealed enclosure subwoofer, the Prime series, in addition to the 500 watt amplifier I showed you before.
Seen a lot of shit. Yeah. Seen a lot of shit. I seen a lot of shit I shouldn't have, but never forgot it though. White boy, but my daddy a Negro. Half-breed motherfucker, put the mic in heat blow. I just wanna spread love, don't want me to please though. I just wanna keep the peace and help people. Get some of this money that I'm making to the people. So if you hating on the goddamn you, just don't understand, cause I'm flyer than you evil. Do a lot of shit, but I keep it on the deep. Yeah.